So for our exploratory data analysis, we wanted to explore how the behavior and statistics of the hurricanes from the storm dataset evolved over different intervals of time. And our exploratory data analysis indicated to us that we may be seeing an increase in the frequency of storms over the history of the dataset. And we wanted to explore how these storms evolved over the course of their individual lifetimes. Over in D3, our first visualization shows the number of unique storms versus the year. We decided to go with the unique storms as in the data set there were multiple occurrences of the same storm because they were recorded at multiple times during every day that they existed. And so to get an accurate representation of the increase in storms over time, we had to filter it by their name. And so on the x-axis here we have the year, and on the y we have the count of individual storms. And as we see a general increase in the count of individual hurricanes per year. And as we hover over individual elements, they give us the exact year. We see 2005 is pretty high up on the list. Notable hurricane like Katrina happened during this year. But there are different explanations as to why this increasing trend may have occurred. The biggest is that climate change may expand the Earth's tropical zone, which is where hurricanes form as they are fueled by the warm oceanic temperature. And our next visualization explores how these storms evolve over months of the year. And so again, we took the unique storms and we plotted their count versus the month of the year. And as we see here, the counts for the month as we reach the end of summer and into early fall, they drastically increase, where September has the highest count with 4,894. This again supports the hypothesis of climate change, as we know that, or this shows that as the year goes on, the temperature gets warmer, and this is when hurricanes begin to evolve over the ocean as they are fueled by the warm temperature. So if they increase when the Earth's temperature is warmest, and we're seeing an overall increase in the Earth's temperature, then it makes sense that the number of hurricanes over time would increase as showed by this chart.